For the first time since the Great Depression, the world has come to a standstill. Economy has taken a major hit. India is facing the worst recession since independence. With no warnings, people have been laid off, forced to take pay cuts, and to work from home. Schools and colleges have shut down across the world. In times like these, so many people are putting their best foot forward to help in any way they can, whether it be donations or volunteering or developing innovative solutions. So many great ideas related to remote education and home delivery services have been brought into action. And yes, they have definitely improved this lockdown for us. But one thing that has been neglected is the mental health of the people. Being constrained in a house and being isolated has caused stress levels to soar. And this is where we step in. Hello, all. We are Team End Task Pandemic and we stand with you to build a better world.
Hello, everyone. What we have built now, we have thought about many things what we can build so we can help people. The one thing, as mentioned by my partner, is the mental health of the people. As everyone is restricted to the confines of their home due to the COVID-19 pandemic, everyone is confused and worried what to do. They have nothing to do. They can't come up with something which they can enjoy, they can entertain themselves, and also from which they can come out of their boredom. The mental state of the people have been affected. So we have come up with a solution for them, the, for the mental health of the people. So with the help of that, they can utilize their time productively. This solution helps with the community coordination. Now we will see the proposed system architecture, what we have designed and are trying to develop. First we can see on the top level, the user level, where we have a web browser. From it gets the data from the cloud storage through the use of CDN, and also with the help of DNS, we get the uh, host IP address of the website. So, like the website which we are trying to come up with. So, from the web browser, we go to the load balancer, which helps to migrate the traffic, the data traffic to different servers for which the request has come. So we come to web application servers, which is connected to database and a data warehouse. Database stores the various types of data like user's name, user's contact number, and many other details. And the data warehouse is used to store large and previous amount of data. Like if we are in 2020, then we can see the data of 2006. And the web application servers use the many types of services like the cloud services, like which we have used in our project, the Watson assistant, and the caching services like the cookies and the things which the web browser uses to load the web page in a fast manner. And now we will show you the status report of our project. The phase one of the status report, in the phase one, we did the UX and UI design, in which we come up with the front end of the website. It was due to be completed till 22 May, which is completed. The next phase, the phase two of our project completion, it was in which was completed at on 27 May, in which we added the various services like Watson Assistant and integrated with cloud. The next third phase of the project is the remaining 30%. We have completed 50% in phase 1, 20% in phase 2, and in phase 3 we will be developing the backend and the other database connection of the website, and it is expected to be completed till 10 June.
Thank you. We are now going to see our website. So this is the main dashboard of our website. So our team's name is N-Task Pandemic, which can be seen in the navigation board. In the dashboard, you can see we have a search option. Then we can check our notifications, a profile option to go to the profile, change the settings, or to log out or log in. Then we have a settings sidebar, which you can modify the visuals of the website. For example, if you like it to be pink or blue, green, or if you would prefer light mode or dark mode. Now, this is a dashboard which shows the number of cases of coronavirus that have happened in the world. Below, we have graphs representing the total number of deaths, the new cases at each month end, and the total number of recovered people. The total new cases at month end means that the total new cases that have come up in a month. We have also outlinked to the official database of the NCOP website, which shows you the exact stats country-wise and continent-wise. You can also access the map, and you can see country-wise what are the number of cases. Back to our dashboard, we could go to activities. Now, this is the page where people can choose what they want to do. Like you quarantined and you're so bored, so you need something to do. So we have seen that so many people have taken up interest in cooking or learning new things, gaming, or even coding. So we have included all of these options. The news sources that we have attached to our website are the most authentic sources as approved by WHO. For example, if you were interested in cooking and would like to look up some recipes, so you could visit the web page. We've developed this web page. In here, you can see these various dishes. You could expand the image and you can visit whatever you choose. For example, you would like to make a chocolate cupcake. So you could click on this image and the image will link you to a website that has the recipe for these cupcakes. The recipes are by authentic chefs and we have taken their permission and we're trying to make them more public so that people can appreciate what they do. We also have an option to volunteer or donate. So everybody wants to volunteer some or other time in their life in whatever way they can. Volunteering makes us feel so special, and it does not mean that we have to give money. We could give our time as well. So we have some organizations here. For example, Meals on Wheels, which you can provide them with extra food that you have, grains that you have. The International Association for Volunteer Effort, which need volunteers to deliver food to people who cannot physically come and get it. Then we have problems like we have this look into mutual aid groups near you, which is basically rather than me ordering some food or grocery items, if I collect 10 families in my neighborhood and do it, it would save a lot of resources. So basically that is what we've incorporated in Volunteer. In the donate option, we have found out the most authentic organizations where you can donate money who will be using it for the positive use in coronavirus to help people across the world. You can also get in touch with us. You can put in your name, your email address, and a message you want to send it to us, and we will respond to your queries. Then in the user profile, you can establish a user profile. You can fill in your username, your email address, status it is at home as everybody should be. You can say something about yourself. This is about our website. Now the outlink has been given by the official developer of the NCOV database, and we have linked his sources here. Then we have the Health Plus. This is one of the most important things. We need to stay healthy. So in case you want to work out at home, so we've developed a web page where you can check out various ways you can work out. For example, you want to do a dumbbell workout, so you can visit this web page. If you want to work out while also, say, watching a movie or doing some work, you can visit this link. So there are a lot of links. There are sources for yoga as well. In the Health Plus app, we have incorporated the Watson Assistant. So, for example, you can test out your symptoms, basically, if you're not feeling well. So, we have a prompt that says that you should be at home and how we can help you. Say you don't feel particularly well. We ask questions that are mandated by doctors. These are the first questions they ask if any patient shows the symptoms of coronavirus. Now, for example, since I have entered yes for more than two of those, so I enter yes again, and it tells me that I'm at high risk and I should contact medical professionals immediately. Now, this option, which is a contact doctor option, links to the doctors on demand, where we can schedule a visit after signing in, and they're going to see your symptoms, contact you on the phone. There could be a scheduled video call, and they'll tell you whether you are at actual risk or not, or whether you should see a medical professional. So that was our website, and we have a lot more work to do. And I hope that we build something very valuable.
So you can see that this was all about our try at giving a solution in these times of needs. So we will keep working on this website and add many more exciting features to it so that you can enjoy in your quarantine period. Thank you for watching this video and stay in touch with our website for regular updates. Stay safe and be at home, and we are there for your entertainment. Thank you.
Thank you.